As Audiology certified professionals, our commitment to providing you unsurpassed hearing care begins the moment you call our office and continues for as long as you are in our care. We will help you fully understand your hearing situation and then work together with you to provide solutions that help you feel empowered and in control of your health care. When it comes to your hearing, you deserve an exceptional level of service and care. And as Audiology certified providers, our goal is to deliver that to you. Routine checkups, educational materials, technology demonstrations, and patient appreciation events, these are just some of the things we do for our patients. Call Audiology Associates today to start on your path to better hearing.